What is Deriv all about? How does it really work? If you're just getting started in Forex trading, you may want to use a Forex broker. And one of the common Forex brokers that is used is called Deriv to trade binaries, synthetics, stocks, commodities, and other things. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to be creating a series of videos that are aimed to help beginners on how to use the Deriv platform. Why should you listen to me, and why should you follow through this series? I've been using the Deriv platform while it was called binary.com since 2015. This is year 2022 when I'm actually doing this video, and believe you me, I've been extensive knowledge on how to use the platform, especially on guiding those that are just getting started. Hello, I would love to welcome you to my channel, and if you are just new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that you never miss any of these updates. If you are one of my followers, give this video a thumbs up. When you do that, the YouTube algorithm is going to recommend this important information to other people. With that out of the way, what I've decided to do in the year 2022 is to create a series of how to use the Deriv platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover things like how to create an account, how to upload your documents, how to move from demo account to real account, how to get verified, how to use the Deriv DP2P platform, giving you the methods that are working right now. And what I'm going to do again in the series that is coming, I'm going to invite some of my friends who have been in trading business, who are going to be sharing their knowledge in terms of using some parts of Deriv, including myself. I'm going to be involved in some of the information. So I wanted to do this video as an update, as an introduction to what we're going to be covering, things like how to become an agent, how to use their affiliate program, and the other important things that you may need to know about Deriv. So let's go ahead and ask questions that you may have in terms of using Deriv. If you probably want to use a bank account to deposit money or withdraw funds, or the types of topics that you want me to cover in this series. So this series is going to be covered in form of video format, and it's going to be covered as well in articles. If you can check out my website, which is called kudaonline.com, you can see some of the information that we're going to be posting there, including this very YouTube channel. So with that out of the way, I just want to double check again if you're subscribed to my channel, because if you don't do that, you're going to miss some of these important updates. So you're going to be rolling these videos one after the other. So the whole goal is that when you just get started on Deriv, what is it that you do is what we're going to be covered. Well, that's what we're going to be covering. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in this series, and bye for now.